Hi guys! This week we are learning about realistic fiction. Realistic fiction is things that are real but happen in fiction. So it's a made-up story, but it's realistic. It could happen in real life. When we're talking about characters, people in realistic fiction act and talk like real people. Animals in realistic fiction act like real animals. No cats wearing shoes, no cows jumping over the moon. That's not realistic. That could not happen in real life. Animals in realistic fiction will act like animals. Dogs will bark, cows can eat grass. Those are things that happen in real life. Our setting is a place that could be in today's world. So when you think about where the story takes place, could that be a real place in everyday life? If so, this is realistic fiction. And when you think about events, the things that happen in the story, the events could really happen. Characters have problems that you might have. And those problems usually get solved or resolved. We have our problem and our resolution.